Today, we're diving deep into the latest buzz surrounding Canon's anticipated release, the EOS R7 Mark II. This upcoming mirrorless camera is poised to redefine the APS-C segment with groundbreaking features and enhancements. Anticipated release, timeline Canon enthusiasts, mark your calendars. The EOS R7 Mark II is rumored to debut in the latter half of 2025, specifically between Q3 and Q4. While Canon hasn't confirmed an exact date, multiple reliable sources suggest a launch window aligning with other major releases like the EOS R6 Mark III sensor and image quality enhancements. One of the most talked about upgrades is the transition to a 40-megapixel stacked APS-C sensor. This significant leap from the original R7's 32.5 megapixel sensor promises higher resolution, capturing intricate details with greater clarity. Improved dynamic range, better performance in challenging lighting conditions, enhanced low-light capabilities, reduced noise and superior image quality in dim environments. The stacked sensor architecture also facilitates faster data readout speeds, minimizing rolling shutter effects, and enabling rapid continuous shooting. Video capabilities. A cinematic powerhouse videographers will find the EOS R7 Mark II particularly enticing. Rumored video features include 8K recording, capture ultra-high-definition footage with exceptional detail, K at 120 FPS, smooth slow-motion sequences for dynamic storytelling, 10-bit 4.2 paru color sampling, rich color depth and flexibility in post-production, Canon log. 3. Support, greater dynamic range and color grading potential. These enhancements position the R7 Mark II as a formidable tool for both professional filmmakers and content creators. Design and ergonomics. Inspired by the R5 series, the EOS R7 Mark II is expected to undergo a design overhaul, drawing inspiration from the ergonomics of the EOS R5 series. Anticipated changes include larger grip, improved handling, especially with telephoto lenses, repositioned controls, more intuitive layout for quick adjustments, enhanced build quality, robust construction for durability in various shooting conditions. These refinements aim to provide photographers with a more comfortable and efficient shooting experience. Performance and storage, meeting professional demands to accommodate the high-resolution sensor and advanced video capabilities. The R7 Mark II is rumored to feature dual card slots, CF Express Type B and UHS-2 SD for versatile storage options. Enhanced battery life, optimized power management for extended shooting sessions, improved heat dissipation, efficient thermal design to prevent overheating during prolonged use. These upgrades ensure that the camera can handle intensive tasks without compromising performance, autofocus and shooting speed, capturing the decisive moment. The EOS R7 Mark II is anticipated to boast significant improvements in autofocus and continuous shooting. Canon rumors, advanced dual-pixel CMOS AF, faster and more accurate subject tracking, high-speed continuous shooting, potentially up to 40 FPS with the electronic shutter.ai-powered subject recognition, enhanced ability to detect and track various subjects, including animals and vehicles. These features are particularly beneficial for sports, wildlife, and action. Photography, lens compatibility, and ecosystem expansion. Canon is reportedly planning to expand its RFS lens lineup to complement the R7 Mark II. Expected developments include new RFS lenses, 2 constant aperture zoom lenses tailored for APS-C sensors, third-party support, increased compatibility with lenses from manufacturers like Sigma and Tamron, mount adapters, options to use EF and EFS lenses with full functionality. This expansion aims to provide photographers with a broader range of creative tools. Pricing and market positioning. While official pricing details remain undisclosed, the EOS R7 Mark II is expected to be positioned as a premium APS-C mirrorless camera. Given its advanced features, it's likely to be priced higher than its predecessor, reflecting its enhanced capabilities and performance. Strategic implications. Canon's vision for the future. The introduction of the EOS R7 Mark II signifies Canon's commitment to advancing its mirrorless camera lineup. By integrating high-end features into an APS-C body, Canon aims to attract enthusiast photographers, offering professional-grade features at a more accessible price point, compete with rivals, challenging offerings from brands like Fujifilm and Sony in the APS-C segment, foster ecosystem growth, encouraging users to invest in the RF lens system. This strategic move is poised to strengthen Canon's position in the competitive mirrorless market. Conclusion: a new era for APS-C mirrorless cameras. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II is shaping up to be a game-changer in the world of mirrorless photography. With its anticipated high-resolution sensor, advanced video capabilities, and refined ergonomics, it promises to meet the demands of both photographers and videographers. Stay tuned to Techno Trend Zone for the latest updates on the EOS R7 Mark II and other exciting developments in the world of photography.